Hey guys, it's Tara and I'm with the Kat Von D Beauty Artistry Collective, and I am here to share some of my favorite tips and tricks to keep your makeup from sliding off your face. So the first thing that is absolutely necessary when you want your makeup to stay on is to work with a primer. Not any and every primer will do the job. I definitely love to work with water-based primers. I feel like they work great for any and every skin type. A lot of times when you have like silicone-based primers, they could clog your pores, create more oil, make your makeup look a little bit patchy. Whether you do have oily skin all over, you could apply this in your T-zone and then kind of spread evenly outwards. But if you have more of a dry skin, you could kind of maybe just use it in areas like right around the crevices of your nose or where you feel like you have any type of cracking. This will still hydrate your skin as well, which is really great, but because it is also oil-free, it's not going to create any excess oil. Next top tip is going to be your favorite waterproof foundation formula. So in working with your favorite foundation on the back side of your palm, the heat of your pulse will keep the formula really easy to apply all over your skin. Another cool technique that you could do too is you could apply one solid layer all over your face and kind of let that sit for a second. And if you feel that you need more coverage in areas, you could go back with that dense brush and just kind of use it as a spot treatment in certain areas and let that dry and then lightly powder if you feel like you need it. It will totally last all day. Another top tip is to use your favorite waterproof brow products. So I have found it really challenging to find a long-lasting waterproof eyebrow product that won't smear and smudge or blur into my concealer or end up all the way over here at the end of the night until Kat Von D Beauty launched the brow collection. Her brow pomades are incredible. The color range is insane. And when you're filling in your brows, especially when you're using a pomade, you have to really just kind of go for it. So I just kind of go for it with a longer stroke. And then you'll see, and I'm really touching here guys, that there's no residue left over on my finger at all. And I also swatched a couple of these earlier so you could see. And I'm really rubbing here, and there's absolutely no transfer. So totally waterproof, transfer resistant, smudge proof, cake proof, drink proof, bulletproof. You name it, it's not going anywhere. And then to finish off your look, you want to use your favorite setting spray, and this will really lock in everything that we just painted. And I also too really love setting mists that have cucumber extract, which could also create, some nutrients for the skin as you're wearing all of these products on your face. And I also love setting sprays that don't have any alcohol in them. You would be surprised. A lot of setting sprays out there do have a form of alcohol, which could really dry out your skin. So just make sure that you look at all of the packages and the ingredients, but a couple little mists away and your makeup isn't going anywhere. All right guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope that you learned a lot of really cool tips and tricks that will help keep your makeup on all day long.